Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're about to remove an old user now. First, make sure the Airpods are in their case, the lid open, and the case charged. Place the case next to the device you control. Locate and press the small setup button on the back. Hold it down. You'll see the LED change. Watch closely. This initial reset command severs the previous Bluetooth pairing and prepares the Airpods to be forgotten by older devices. Once the LED responds, move to your device's settings. Now forget the Airpods on any device that still lists them. On an iPhone, tap Settings, Bluetooth, the info icon next to the Airpods, then forget this device and confirm. This removes pairing from that account. On Android, use Connected Devices and Remove. On Mac, open Bluetooth and remove the Airpods entry. Once done, press and hold the case button until the LED flashes white to finalize the reset. This ensures the Airpods won't auto-reconnect to an old owner's device. Finally, pair the Airpods to your device. With the lid open and the LED white, bring them close and follow the on-screen prompts to connect and rename if you like. Test audio, mic, and controls to confirm full functionality, and let them sit connected to an iPhone to receive firmware updates if available. If something goes wrong, charge both Airpods and case, repeat the reset procedure, and if the Airpods remain tied to another account, ask the prior owner to remove them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.